What?
So you have to do it the proper way, like kneeling,
Proper way.
like
Proper
kneeling
way
down.
how?
You want me to kneel down?
Like
It's
how?
not
You
in
want me to kneel down?
engagement, right? Or is this? Are you guys up to something?
I don't know if you keep a lot of friends, as you're a fine lady. I don't know if you keep a lot of friends that is telling you what to do, because most of them might not even be happy that you got the perfect match for yourself.
Oh,
Maybe they will be the one telling you what to do and how to adjust your relationship.
I think they saw us on your platforms the last time. So they were like, why would I go on online dating? That might not favor me and all that. But I don't believe that. I believe what is meant to be will be. If Chika is my man, God will make that come
To
true.
happen. Okay.
Yeah, so you can meet any nice person anyway, be it online or offline.
Okay.
So it depends. And I can't just fold my hands and expect men to come to me and all that. You have to work it out. That's why I met you in the first place. So, what's that? Hey, babe!
What's up?
I'm good. What's going on?
I was just going around, so I saw you here, so I decided to come around.
I don't know. Like, you got us on our way.
How did you
Is that
know?
your car over there? You were just passing by, or are you coming here?
In one of the sites I was working
You called
on.
him too?
I not call him. I will be the one asking you whether you told him that you're coming here. I'm even lost.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Fine.
Always looking beautiful.
Please.
She's a sweet girl.
Please don't start. So, okay, maybe we'll be going. Do you need me or something?
Of course, you know I need even right now.
Oh, please.
Calm down, guys. I say you need that.
Okay, babe. You know you've been a wonderful woman to me, and
She has been telling me about you.
Are
He
you
said she
serious?
can't do without
you're
you.
gossiping like
Not really, though. Not really. You know, she was there when it all started. So I just gave her a tip.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's no problem about that. Well, can you do this with me?
What's that?
Can you really do this with me?
What?
Do what, man? She's with you already. I'm even lost.
Sir.
I want make I leave now. What is going on?
No.
When I get before.
No, we're
Babe.
good. What's wrong, yeah?
Are you sure you want to do this with me?
Do what? Do you want us to go out? What?
Okay, fine. Babe, will you marry me?
What?
Wait.
You want me to marry you?
What's that?
Really?
She has been a wonderful woman to me.
I came as a
And-
surprise.
Yeah, I actually
Have
wanted
you
to.
been the track her phone?
I don't understand.
I've actually had days
Okay.
on me, so I was actually looking for a perfect time
To do this.
to do this, and I think it's now.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Calm down. Okay.
Yes, babe, yes. Wait, the cover is too on, so you have to do it the proper way, like kneeling,
Proper way.
like
Proper
kneeling
way
down.
You want me to kneel down?
Like,
It's
How?
not in
You want me to kneel down?
engagement, right? Or is this? Are you guys up to something?
Okay, you want me to kneel down and propose now?
wait, proper
Wait.
way. Like, wait, I won't understand. Proper way, how?
Babe, you.
Don't wait, don't babe me. How is the proper way?
He said me you kneel down. She be the
Like,
kneel down they propose.
I
Abi?
should.
Wait, your one leg down.
That kind of thing.
My one leg down and the other one up.
No, babe, stop acting.
Why you
You
behaving
acted
like
as
you
if
don't
that's the
have-
first time. Did you make
Propose
research
now.
on how to propose?
I should kneel down and give you ring.
Uh-huh.
Onion. That's a homo kneel down and give you ring.
What is
The
going on
woman
here?
that kneels down to pee. I should kneel down and give you ring.
Madam, come.
How?
Okay, what is going on? Can you come?
How?
Come now.
Like how?
What happened?
I should
She be
kneel
want
down.
engage her.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Even if I wanted to engage her, it shouldn't be for me to kneel down. Why?
Kneel down propose to her. Abi, know what you want?
Yeah, it's just
I
the
don't
normal.
understand.
It's just the proper way of doing things. Like
Yeah.
I didn't mean to.
Wait. I don't understand. Which proper way?
They see what
the
they see.
proper way is for me to kneel down and give you ring. Do you know how much this cost?
Now go do see ring.
Babe, I
Wow.
understand, but this is what every other
No,
guy.
don't tell me
Okay,
that. You
come,
don't understand. You don't understand.
Accept the ring
Wait,
now.
you
You want
mean
me-
I should kneel down before you and give you ring before you accept me?
Like, is it playing or what? I don't.
Can I be playing with this thing?
Babe, are you not being serious?
Don't babe me.
Huh?
Don't babe me.
Which one will make she not babe you?
I don't understand what's going on.
Should you say you want to marry her? I'm
It's
surprised
so-
and I'm happy. Do the needful now.
Listen, I went extra mile
Uh-huh.
to make sure I get this.
Okay.
I actually got this because this is the picture of everything
Okay.
I've been telling you of.
Okay.
Now I got this for you,
Uh-uh.
only
Good.
for you to be telling me doing it the proper way. I should kneel down to beg you, Her Royal Majesty, take. As in, I don't understand.
Make sure you need that accept her. Now wait till you dey talk.
She's telling me to kneel down. Now I'm telling her if she should kneel to accept it, is it wrong?
Wow.
Okay, what make sure you need that accept the ring?
If she can, fine.
Wow.
Now
Really?
you want to reverse it?
I was thinking maybe at a point.
Don't touch me.
Really? But have we? Do we
Have
have
we gotten
issues
to that?
or something?
Like
before
any issue
now?
before.
I can't see the reason why.
But this is not supposed to be an issue. We are still on the camera. Oh.
You
Even at that,
embarrassing me before
even
the
at
public.
that.
I see how people they look us now.
I
They
don't
cannot
care.
no worry.
Okay, I'm sorry.
calm
Maybe I
down
must
now.
have gotten. Maybe I must have gotten him upset somehow.
Okay.
But it's okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Maybe if you really want to engage me, maybe you should just do this and let's get out.
Engage
Only
her
way
now. We're
to
on the
do
camera
this-
already.
The only way to do this
Okay.
is to accept this ring. Either I stand or you kneel.
This is
Are
serious.
you
So
ready for it or not?
guys, he wants to engage
Are
his
you
girlfriend, but he don't want to kneel down.
Nikki,
I think this is the proper way now.
I don't understand.
I'm even lost
Are you
here.
joking? No, are you joking?
Babe, are you ready to take this
Just
ring or
okay.
not?
Your knee doesn't even
I
have
mean,
to
get
touch the
pride.
ground. Just something like
I
The man
can't
get
try
pride
it.
though.
you can't
I
work.
can't do it.
You
for
can't
me?
do it.
I can't even do it.
So what?
Yeah.
For you
What was
or
the
for
picture?
anybody.
Wait, what was the picture you had in mind of an engagement? Like, what were you thinking, or what do you think it was
Listen, I do my things my own way.
Uh-huh.
I do my things the way I want to do it, not the way every other person is doing it. I choose to do my things the way I do. That was why I went extra mile in order to get this. You should value and respect the fact that I am giving you this.
Chica, this argument is not necessary.
necessary.
In the public, on the
See how people
roadside.
they look us.
Maybe we can
I
do
know
this
now.
some other time, but not
I
now.
choose to do it here. and
Now? Now.
That is what I choose.
Without doing it the proper way.
That is what I choose, and I choose it now and here. So are you ready for it? Or
Chica,
not?
I'm not ready if
You're
that's
not ready
it.
for
I'm
it.
not ready. Why won't you just... See, I'm
Una they
screaming.
shout to radio.
Just kneel down. What's there?
Listen, if it's for me to kneel before you accept this ring, then you're not ready for it.
Eh?
That is
Just
just
like
it.
that.
That is just it.
No, this is serious. I'm
Chica,
not
you
expecting.
I can
You
can
can't say
fulfill the
that
fact
now.
that I went extra mile to
Okay.
get this for you.
Uh-huh.
Do you understand?
Okay, it's
But
very
you
appreciate.
ruined everything. You ruined my plan.
How?
You ruined everything.
How?
You did.
Nikki, you're here.
I
How?
accept the ring. Now you say you not gonna kneel
So are
down.
you ready?
If you accept,
Oh,
am,
he doesn't want to kneel down and give me the ring, and you want me to accept the ring just like that.
okay, calm down.
If you
now.
can't
Maybe you
do
love
it the
this
proper
girl.
way, just maybe some other time. Maybe he's
Love has
not in
nothing
the
to do
good
with
mood.
this.
Something. If you're not in the
Love
good mood, then try it
has
sometime.
nothing to do with this. Even the so-called people that she's saying that is the proper way, that's the proper way. How many of them did their marriage last? Is it better you kneel down and propose to a lady and later you divorce the marriage, or just accept it and accept me the way I am?
So you have plans of divorcing in the future? Why
I
are you
never
sounding
said
like
so.
that?
I never said so.
Why are you sounding like
I never said
it's
so.
an abnormal thing to kneel and propose to a girl?
It's not normal for me. If
Why?
it's normal for you, it's not normal for me.
So what made it abnormal for you?
Listen,
Why?
there is no bona fide true son of the soil Nwaafọ Igbo
All right.
that will kneel before a woman.
Now I
Alright.
get the point. There we go again. Igbo man, all the time. Are you the only Igbo man?
Because
Okay,
I
this is
choose
a good moment now.
I choose to.
Neither
She
propose to
ruined
her
it.
now.
She ruined the moment.
How?
Eh?
Are you the only
She
Igbo
can't
man
have the
She
moment.
ruined
to propose?
You are here to propose to her. Kneel down and propose to
I
her. She
can't
insists
do-
that you must kneel down and propose to her. Is it hard?
Nikki,
Sir?
the truth is, I can't do what she's asking me to do. Is either she kneels and take the ring, or she accepts it this way.
Okay.
That is just it. I'm
Ah.
a man.
If
This
you want to
is
be like
serious.
the wife,
I don't understand.
do it the way it
I
is.
I
beg,
can
mother,
never
come-
be like the wife.
But you wanna
and they can
engage?
never be like me.
What do you want my friends to say when they see this video?
This
How?
is
Your friend,
serious.
you see, you're bringing your friend into this picture.
Why would I bring them
You're
in.
bringing your friends
Wait,
into
is
this
this the
picture.
proper way to do things? We're not even married, and this
Wait. It's all about
Make
your
her
friends,
happy
right?
now. Make her happy
it's
now.
not
Is it
about
not?
my friends.
It's
all
all about your friends,
It's all
right?
about doing it the
Have
right
you considered the way I want to do it before talking about your friends?
way. How do you do it? Standing and proposing, does that make sense to
That
you?
is the way I want to do it.
Sorry,
you can't choose
people
for
are
me.
passing.
Really?
People,
You can't.
people are
What
looking
would
at
people
us
say
already.
when they see you standing
I don't care
proposing
what
to a
people
girl?
say.
People are looking at us, Oga.
I don't even care for
Can we go to a quiet place?
Chika,
Let's
if
resolve
you're not
this.
going to do it the
no,
right
if she's
way,
not
then
Too
you
much
wait.
now. Let's go to my
What
place.
is wrong with
please.
you?
If
Let's
she's
resolve
not
this. Guys, I'm
accepting
not
this-
happy.
If she's not accepting this now,
Uh-huh.
then she should know that I'm done with this.
What?
Really? Just like that?
Yes.
Did
That
I
is
do
me.
anything wrong? Maybe somehow.
You
and
just did it now.
Take.
You just did it now.
Can we please go to my
Chika,
place?
I'm not accepting this ring with you.
Oga, take.
standing.
Okay, you're not accepting this
You
ring,
should
right?
Go on your knees and
You're
do
not
the proper
accepting this
thing.
ring, right?
Of course, I won't do it.
You're not accepting
Why
this
would you
ring.
You don't even mind the camera, and you claim you
No,
love
no,
me.
calm down. Let's
You're
go to my
embarrassing
place.
me for the public.
You
I will
embarrassed
put you on the
yourself.
roadside.
Let's
You
go to my
embarrassed
place.
Did I
yourself.
even ask you to give
You
me a
embarrassed
ring?
yourself
Did I
first.
ask you to
Okay,
give me
you
a
didn't
ring?
ask me for
What
that,
is
right?
Did I ask you to
You
give
didn't
me a
ask me
ring?
for that,
Of
right?
course, I didn't
Okay,
ask you.
fine. It's all
That's
about
my
our
friend.
happiness, right?
Yes, sir. If
It's
you
not
want to
about
make us
happiness,
happy,
right?
then you do the right thing the right
Then
time.
the right thing I'm doing is what I want to do
I don't
now.
want it this way. Do it the proper way.
Is it about what you want or about what I want?
Nikki, look, she's leaving, and I can't even
I
stand
don't
here.
care if she
You're
leaves.
embarrassing me before the
You
public.
embarrassed yourself first.
Seriously,
You did.
I beg you for a ring?
Okay, you never begged me for a
Did
ring.
I beg you?
Okay, you never begged
Did
me for
I
a
ask
ring.
you to propose
All
here?
right.
Is that the right thing to do?
Fine.
Is that the
Fine.
right thing to
you
do?
go look for a man that will kneel down and propose to you. As for me, Chika, I can't, and I will never
Chika,
read my lips. I will never.
seriously. You're not going anywhere. Oh, you say this, we'll get to the root of this.
All right.
You can't keep embarrassing me anyhow, okay? You can't try.